Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again. It's been a few weeks, I think, since I've had a video out or any status updates. Kind of been busy, weather got nice, a lot of outside projects, and actually last week I had the local EAA chapter come out and visit and did a demo. So this morning I had another fellow EAA member out here helping me this morning, so kind of getting back into the groove of things. Getting pretty close to wrapping up this wing. So I'll show you the last couple things I've done, including what I was working on this morning and what's left to do. So this morning we riveted in the stiffeners that go in here. When I picked the stiffeners out, I set them in there. I wasn't paying much attention to which way the flange was facing because I did them one at a time and I couldn't. It was upside down, so I couldn't see what I was doing. So that one's backwards compared to the other ones, but they're just in there for stop the tin canning effect. So it doesn't really, it's not flight critical that one of them's not the same direction as the other ones. But there'll be ones that go on the top skin as well. So those ones are all done. This morning I was working on the strut support bracket, which goes on the back side of all of these rivets here. Okay, here's a quick peek underneath. Sorry for the bad lighting, I got it upside down right now. So I riveted the stiffener on, and then as well as this strut bracket doubler. The only thing I left out for right now is there's a A5 rivet that goes in that hole. Not entirely sure what, why, or how it goes in that hole. So I left that one out. Doesn't look quite as clean, I guess, from this angle, but I got the back side of the rivets here. This angle piece was thinner than this doubler, so I elected to put the finished head over here and the backside over there. I think once the wing's assembled and everything, you actually end up seeing this side more, so it'll probably be good that I did it the way I did. Got this piece bolted in. It's got 3 A and 3 bolts. As you can see here, I ended up had to do this one upside down just because you can't get the bolt in. You can get the nut in from the backside. So that way, and then I did. So the wing's upside down right now. The reason why I put these that way was if those were to rattle off, the bolt would at least stay in the hole by putting them in that orientation. So I think next couple steps I can at least start to rivet the top skin on, and I got a little bit more work to do out here on the wingtip area. Got to put the last L stiffener in there, same for the top skin, and then I think I can also start working on the wingtip that'll go on here. I'll also show you how I'm going to install the Aero LED kit, the one that Zenith sells. So I'll show everyone how I install that. I haven't even pulled it out of the box yet. Hopefully that's not too difficult. Did do a trial fit with the fuel tank. It seems to fit in there nicely, so that'll work out good. Not 100% certain if I'm going to go with the fuel senders that it comes with yet. Might try and modify and go for something else. We'll see. I gotta probably a few more months before I gotta really make a final decision there. So that's it for now. I will check in a little bit once I get some more rivets pulled. Okay, got everything just about ready for riveting on the top skin. kind of big moment here, I guess. Once I do this, won't be able to really get into anything. So I'm kind of triple checking everything, making sure that I'm ready to go and move forward. I haven't done anything with the wingtip yet, but I mean, I don't see any reason to hold off on doing the top skin. I'll be able to run the wiring for the light all the way down there. I think once I do the leading edge slats, I'm going to do a landing light in there. Probably be able to get the wiring, put the light out here on this, right next to where the slat attaches to here. Wire can come into here. All of that work I should be able to do with the wingtip removed. As mentioned, I got these. Those are in and torqued. So I'm not going, obviously, to rivet. I've got these in there just to, rivet kind of holds better location than a cleco. By doing that, all of the rest of my rivets kind of dropped right in. Sometimes if you just assemble with the clecos, then you go to start dropping rivets in, they fight you all the way through. But by starting with the rivets and then clecos, 99% of my rivets just dropped right in the hole, so I didn't have to ream the holes out or didn't have to fight the rivets and push them in anymore. I did have one that was, two of them actually, that were fighting me. I got a little dimple there around it. Okay, a little goober of corrosion protection that was stuck in the hole. That was why they kind of dimpled like that. I keep adding some rivets there. Bring that all the way to here. And I'm not too sure yet. I've been watching the home built help video and they say I can start on the fuel system, but I haven't 100% decided on the fact that I want to use the Zenith provided senders, or if I want to go with something else. It's more of a capacitive style or whatnot that I can mount on the top of the tank rather than the side of the tank. I think if I use enough goop, I shouldn't have any issues, but I'm not sure. Once I get the skin on, I do have a little crinkle there from, I think it was all the times flipping this upside down, right side up, but I think I'll just put a little doubler piece in there. Maybe throw an extra rivet in between or something, and that should hold that much better. I tried to flatten it out, but got it pretty smooth, and then all the upside down flipping kind of made it bend just a little bit more. So I'm gonna go ahead and start riveting these up and check back in.